What's up, guys? It's your boy Dad Hat back at it again with another unboxing for our charity card drive called Deck the Halls. We are building decks of metazoo cards, and we are going to give them to children's hospitals in the Richmond and Virginia Beach area and hopefully across the United States. So we have another package that just came in. This is from Hassbar. You might know him on Discord. He's very active on there. I think right now he's Stovetop Hassbar. Yeah, his friends know him as Uncle Hassbar. Actually, I just know him as Uncle Hassbar because when my baby was born, he sent us a gift, and very nice. Someone I've never met in person, but he's such a generous guy, and I'm very excited to show you what he gave to this cause. We're very excited so far. We've gotten just a couple donations in, and a lot of our own personal cards are going in this. And our goal is to make 500 decks and teach these kids how to play metazoo. We're going to give all these cards to these kids. The Richmond and Virginia Beach hospitals, they have 350 beds. So we know that is our bare minimum. We need 350 decks made, but we want to hit 500 because we want to be able to send them to other casters across the US and maybe even around the world, who knows, so that they can also give to their local children's hospitals. So without further ado, let's jump into it, see what we got. So first off, we have a bunch of rule books, guys. So many rule books. We have them: Seance, Nightfall, UFO. Looks like a little bit from every set. Cryptid Nation, Wilderness. Yeah, a little bit from every set here. And there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 rule books. That's huge, guys, because each play set is going to include one of these rule books. It'll include one of the play mats that shows you how to play. It'll include some of the status indicators and a die, as well as a deck of 40 cards. And if the deck requires the token cards, then we'll include an appropriate number of token cards also. But we want it to be ready to play out of the box. You won't need anything else. Oh yeah, a coin also. But yeah, you won't need anything else except for what is in this pack, so that these kids can just start playing right away. And we're excited to teach them. So yeah, so many rule books. Thank you so much, Hassbar. Let's see what else we got here. We have a massive stack. You can see the whole thing of bulk. So there is all sorts of things in here, different sets. I see some Seance on top. Some of these came like in the packs, like legit. And I just consolidated them all together. But I mean, you have your Aura, you have your Terra, you have your tokens, and you have just regular playing cards. Like, these are great. Yeah, looks like some, there's some Cryptid Nation 2 right there. Some Nightfall. Is that Wilderness? Wilderness, yep. Seance. Is there UFO? I imagine there's UFO. There's everything else. There's probably UFO too. Somewhere in here. I'm sure there is. I don't know. There's so much to go through. This will be a lot of fun for me to sort. I just love sorting cards. I know it's kind of weird, but I really do enjoy it. It's therapeutic. So yeah, so much bulk. What else do we have? We have the status indicator right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these sheets. So each one of these sheets has 2 of each status indicator. And we are going to include 1 of each in each playset. So this is 5 sheets, so that's enough for 10 playsets. So very cool. Thank you so much, Hassbar. These are great. We haven't gotten a lot of these yet, so these are perfect. And then finally, guys, we have the playmats, and I was not expecting this many playmats. There's a lot. There's 1, 2. Okay, let's go in order. Why not? We have 3 of the Cryptid Nation playmats, and these are cool. Because on one side, the playmat shows you where to put all your cards and everything, where to place your deck. But then on the back, for the CM2, it has the Cryptid Nation map, and I love this map. It's very cool. It shows you where a lot of the cryptids are from. So you have 3 of those. 1, 2, 3 of the Nightfall maps. Boom. Cool artwork there. Shows you where to put everything again. These are just super essential to learning how to play, so you know where the different zones are for things. Then we have, Wilderness. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So those are pretty dope. Go ahead and show it off. We got 4 of these with that wilderness artwork. Super cool. So 1, 2, 3 of the UFO. If I can open it up. There we go. The UFO playmats. Pretty cool. Then finally, Seance, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. Now, Seance, they went back to what they did in the CN2 set, CN1 and Kickstarter. They put art on the back. So there's the front with the playmat, and the back is like a broken spirit board. So pretty cool. So yeah, lots of these guys. There are, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 of these. So guys, this is huge. Hassbar, thank you so much for your generosity. Thank you so much for, yeah, just sending all this essential stuff. These are things that we really need. We have a lot of people sending a lot of like straight bulk, which is great because we're gonna be building the decks. But these are also very important because we want every kid to get a full play set so they know exactly what to do whenever they get the stuff. So thank you so much again. I appreciate it. Guys, if you want to donate or if you want to be involved somehow, if you want to hand out decks to kids, if you want to teach kids how to play, if you want to build the decks from the bulk, just shoot me a message on Discord. I'm Dead Hat. There'll be something. I'll have an image here somewhere. Yeah, it has all the information on it. Just shoot me a message, guys. We still need a lot of bulk to reach our goal of 500 play sets. We're going to be collecting until the end of the year and then hopefully handing out in January. That is our goal. Very excited. Yeah, guys, and until I get another package, I guess that's it. So thank you. Peace, love, applesauce.